What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy. If you don't know, the best phone ever in the world is the Essential phone. I love the Essential phone a lot, but it lacked the 3.5mm headphone jack. So I bought a dongle. From Baseus, but it comes with something special. What? It comes with built-in microphone with built-in 3.5mm jack and then a USB charging cable. Isn't that awesome? Again, no one paid me. I'm doing this review by myself. Sadly, they should send me free product to review. Okay, here we go. This is iPhone X. iPhone X do not use a USB-C cable. Okay, they're just promotion material anyway. Throw the rubbish away. I am really very much excited, to be honest with you, to open it. Okay, here we go. Okay, come on. I'm using the PureTech case. You can watch my review of this case by clicking the card button. Okay, let me see, do the audio work or not. Okay, like that. Okay, let me go to the YouTube. It's not working, sadly. It's not working. I don't know why. I really don't know why it's not working. Okay, let me just check it. As you can see, I plug in my USB-C charging, so the problem is not with the adapter, but I really don't know why it's not working. Now I'm going to use another one to see it's working or not. Sadly, I think only the official 3.5 milli and only the official USB-C audio adapter work, not third party work. I'm already using the second one, sadly. It's not working. It's not working. Let me try on my Nubia phone, which also comes with a 3.5mm audio jack. Okay, let me try. Okay, it's not working also here. I'm a little bit surprised why this one is not working. Okay, because I think so you can only use the official or the only USB-C headphone. It will not work. Sadly, it's not working. I'm sorry. Sadly, it's not working. I'm extremely sorry for that. So, can I recommend it? I mean the Baseus, absolutely no. To be honest with you, it do not work. It do not work at all.